Okay.
Yeah, hello everyone. Good afternoon. So now I'm like going to give like a quick overview of the company and then a detailed information on what a Tableau developer role looks like and what are the topics we should learn and our course portfolio, etc. So in this first slide, like what is the Bright Blue Innovation Circles Private Limited? So this is like a product-based company that is located in like Guntur location, started 1 year back. So here the main services provided are like corporate training, software product development, institutional trainings, business process outsourcing. So like even before establishing this company, we have been doing these trainings from the past 2+ years. But from the past 1 year, like we are doing more trainings by registering our company. So these trainings, like they are both like offline and online. So the main difference between like our company and the other companies is like in the other institutes or anything you go, mostly the training will be done by BCA or MCA candidates who don't have any technical experience. But in our company, every training and every internship, everything is only given by people having minimum 5+ years of experience in the industry. So when you get trained by people having some industry experience, so it will be very beneficial for you to begin your career or have a successful career even if you have any experience. So that is the major difference between us and the other companies. So we have introduced the cost effective trainings, because if you go somewhere and if you want to learn these courses, these are like not cost effective, because they will be charging like 30 around 30K for these courses. But in our company, like we are providing them at low cost. So we are training on all the trending technologies available in the market, like data science, React JS, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Android development like Flutter development, and then Django, Python development framework, and then Tableau embedded systems, Oracle MS SQL Server, MySQL DBMS. And in addition to this, like we train on these programming languages, QA automation, then task automation, manual testing, Postman, and REST issue. So these are like the technologies we are covering currently. And in addition to these technical trainings, we are doing some non-technical trainings, because like all the people may not be like fluent in English, like they may be struggling in the interviews, like even after having some technical knowledge. So like these non-technical trainings help you not only to get your English speaking skills, but also like interactive skills, like how to speak to the interviewer, or how to speak when you go to a job, and how to write the emails and everything when you enter the job as a fresher. So this non-technical training on spoken English and communication skills also, like it gives a head start to your professional career. So apart from this, we have like campus recruitment training, AMCAT training, Elitmus, and CoCubes trainings. So why these are important? Because so once you are entering as a fresher into the market, so you won't be like tested only on the technical skills. So the first step of evaluation for you guys will be like a non-technical test, like an aptitude test, or any no, or verbal reasoning, or thing like verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, etc. So these all topics will be covered in the campus recruitment training along with mock interviews and everything. So these are also the non-technical trainings which are available. And so these are the demo timings. So if you want to join any other demos also, so these are the timings for the other demo sessions apart from Tableau. So coming to the support. So you are taking training. So apart from training, you will be given 1 hour free support. So if you have any doubts, or if you need any other advices, or if you are doing any new projects on your own, and if you have any clarifications to be done, and if there are any doubts even in the classes that we teach, once you practice, if you get any doubts, we will give 1 hour free support. And apart from 1 hour, you should be buying some tokens. So each token is 15 minutes slot. So if you are purchasing 4 tokens, it will be for 100 rupees. So if you are purchasing if you are purchasing 1 token, it's 30 rupees. So if you purchase 4 tokens, instead of 120, you will pay 100. So like if you are purchasing the tokens and if you are not utilizing them, so you can even like return to us and you can take your money. So this is like a lifetime opportunity for using tokens. So you need not use the tokens right away once you purchase. And if you are not further interested in using those tokens, you can return back to us. You can get your money back. So using these tokens only, like you can get support from us apart from the training class. So what are the bonuses? So once you complete this course or any other course we are providing, so we'll give a training completion certificate and we'll be giving free internship for training completed students. So you may get a doubt like, so so this is like not for every student. So after the completion of the course, we'll be evaluating the student levels and like we will know your skills. So we'll be having an evaluation at the end of the course, and depending on that, we will be providing you a free internship. So this free internship for 3 months we will be providing. So this internship like boosts your resume, because like many freshers like they put the resume without internship, but this 3 months or 4 months internship as a fresher like will give you a head start to get a job. So this is one of the beautiful opportunity provided here. And then like if your technical skills are very good, even we have like many opportunities in product development and then software testing, etc. Like we provide job supports and everything. So like we will like give you a job and you can like work under our company. And then like we will give the internship certificate also after the internship is done. So apart from this, like if you refer 5 students like apart from you, so if you are referring 5 friends, you will be getting one training or one internship for free. So like this is the thing. So these are our contact details.
Vamshi, I'm unable to see the screen, Vamshi.
Yeah, one second. Yeah, again. So Tableau. Yeah, hello. So Tableau is the thing that is falling under data analyst domain. So currently, like data analyst and data science, these are the two trending things. So under data analyst, you have different job roles. So why to learn data analytics? Because currently there are many companies like growing in e-commerce, banking, insurance, etc. So to establish any like e-commerce company or a banking company in that particular site, so they don't do that at like at once. They won't establish that company or something. So they will take the data of the previous competitors in that site. So how are they, like how are the customers enjoying those services and everything. So everything they will deal with data. So to take the data, to do web scraping and then visualize the data before setting up. So everything they should work with data even before they establish their units in a particular place. So that is the point why these data analyst and data science jobs are increasing nowadays. So apart from this, there is a huge demand in in the sports industry, because coming to sports industry, there are a number of leagues around the globe which are increasing. Like compared to many sports like cricket, hockey, and everything, many leagues are increasing. So the sports leagues, every company or every team in the sports league, they require a data analyst, because even to do the auction level or to prepare some strategies on the players, they need some stats. So for everything they need a data analyst. So this is like the huge demand for a data analyst. So coming to data analyst job roles, you have data analyst, Tableau developer, visualization engineer, cricket by sports analyst, business data analyst, and data scientist. So these are the different job roles. So to become a data analyst or a Tableau developer or anything, you should know at least one visualization tool, at least one programming language, at least one relational database, and then some basic knowledge of business intelligence and one reporting tool knowledge. So coming to visualization tool, like we have many tools like Tableau, Power BI, Incorta, Excel, ClickSense, etc. But currently Tableau and Power BI are only the trending tools. So you may get a doubt like, so why are we not learning Power BI and why are we using Tableau? So the scenario is like once you enter any company, the data sets you will be dealing are like are greater than 1 GB. So the major drawback of Power BI is it can't load the data sets which are greater than 1 GB. And the other point is coming to Tableau, it's available both on iOS and Windows. But coming to Power BI, it's not available on iOS systems. And the other drawback is like Tableau has 24/7 support, but Power BI doesn't have. So this is like why Tableau is one of the most demanding tool. And then we should learn one programming language. So coming to the programming language, Python is the most recommended language for data analytics. And then once you upgrade by learning R language, then you can shift your career into data science and relational database. So relational database like either MS SQL Server or Oracle. So why you should learn relational database? Only we are dealing with data. Then what is the point of learning relational database? So the query language used in relational database is SQL. So what is the main point of learning SQL here is like SQL is a mandatory skill for a Tableau developer job because they will give the data in the form of Excel sheets in the learning stages, because while we are learning Tableau, we will be importing Excel sheets and then doing the visualization, etc. But once you enter a company, they won't give you Excel sheet or anything. They will import the tables and everything into SQL server like MS SQL server or Oracle. So we have to connect that server and then write some custom SQL queries, etc. And in some cases, they will be giving like raw data. So in that case, you should do the SQL development from the scratch, and then you have to utilize that into Tableau. So every day of your work schedule, so you'll be using SQL in in relation to Tableau. So this is one of the mandatory skill. And the other thing is business intelligence. So this is good to learn because there is some connection between data analyst and a business analyst role. And then one reporting tool knowledge. So reporting tool is the tool like where you update your work, and then where the company tracks your work and you will be assigned your works, everything. So these are like the major skills required for a Tableau developer role.
Sir, can you go to the previous page once previous page, like just 1 second.
Yeah. This one?
Yes, sir. So in this page,
Yeah.
I'm not getting the right skill, right side. Visualization. Second one is
One programming language.
just can you? I'm not finding here. I mean, I'm unable to see the complete. Now it's fine. Now it's fine. Yeah. So visualization. My question was, data visualization and data interpretation both are important, or only one we need to learn?
Actually everything is done in the tool only, right? So actually visualization is the major part of a Tableau developer role. So interpretation, like you'll be like interpreting in it, whether in a PPT or something like that.
Okay, fine. Okay, and programming, Python scripting, that's all.
Not Python scripting, actually Python programming. So like apart from a development role, so here mainly there will be 4 libraries, right? Like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Matplotlib, and Cbon. So these things will be
So when you are using shell scripting, when we will use in Linux server, right? Not in Windows.
Yeah, actually, like there is no point of talking about Linux server and anything, because we will directly write the code in the Jupyter notebook and we will run it and we'll get the visualization. That's it.
And the last one you said fifth
One
one.
reporting tool.
So reporting is like one means
like we have many reporting tools, right, in the market, like HPLM, Jira, etc. But Jira is like the most recent one available. So we'll have a quick overview on that during the course.
Atlassian.
Sorry?
Atlassian is needed?
Actually, any one is needed. So you will be given like knowledge on Jira.
Okay, ma'am. And sir, one thing I want to ask, for learning any software tool or anything, here also we follow agile methodology, right?
Yes. Yes, no, mostly every company is following agile methodology because waterfall model came to an end.
For Power BI also we used agile only, right?
Yeah, like coming to that point, anything like any domain like data science, data analyst, manual testing, everything is following agile methodology. So coming to that, like agile methodology, like it's not different from any programming language or anything. So that is just the process, like dividing the project into sprints and working that like that. So it's a different thing.
So for this, we need at least 10 to 20% programming.
Yes. So coming, as discussed before, like these trainings are costing like 30K while you go outside, but here like we are giving it for like very cheap. Like if you want only Tableau, it will be like 599 plus GST, and if you need SQL, Excel, basic statistics, and Python, everything, it comes for 2898. So there is no point for taking only Tableau and learning it, because these are also the required skills like SQL, basic statistics, and Python. Yeah. So like this is the thing, and yeah, Saida, you can take ahead.
Guys, if you want to purchase as a package, go for the complete one. Even you can also buy only Tableau or only prerequisite or only complete package. Based on your requirement, you can go ahead and you can purchase anyone. So if you don't want any package, go independently, like only for SQL, only for Excel, only for basic statistics and Python. Independently, you can also buy it, your wish. So we're
Okay.
stopping to,
Tableau
we're
package
not restricted to buy.
700.
Yes, yeah, 707. Any course, 599 plus GST, single. So if you want to buy as a package, it will be is go down.
When is the batch starting? So I will pay 1 day before that.
Don't worry. We will update on right now about that. So
If it is
Vamsi,
asking starting next week, I can pay on next Sunday, right?
one thing, yeah, that no, not like. Actually, these offers valid only for today, but we don't know tomorrow what offers we can keep. One thing, and second one, um, so our offers always will change. So and we will also have a different policy. Suppose we buy one course, but uh, you started attending a training for 1 week, then you didn't like that training, you can ask for the refund for the entire price. So not so don't worry about your money.
Yeah, like 2 weeks back also we had some demo sessions and people paid and they're like still waiting for the sessions to start. So like most probably in a couple of days we'll be starting, like tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
I'm assuring that your money back is money back guarantee. Don't worry about it. If you don't like that, you don't ask single question also. That's our assurance. Guys, who are interested, please go ahead with payment, or else we can wind up. No issues. This offer only valid today only, but tomorrow what offer you can keep, you don't know. If you're going for outside also searching, so this 599, even though it's very less than the one mutton biryani, so I think it's a very worthy for you. And we also dedicated to train globally 10 lakhs, at least 10 lakh people per year. So that's the reason we are keep on reducing the prices. Might be if we're getting apart from the money point of view, is a instead of business point of view, even we are focusing on the social social support. So for example, tomorrow, even in the future, we are growing up, then entire package in the Tableau up in 1 year, 2 years, so we can bring to 599. Entire package is gone. So based on your support also will be effect. So if you want to change the lives of others also, there is a we also need your support. So for one people, two people who can't able to give that very low price, but if we're getting at least 500 people, we can able to give entire packages 599. That's our intention in the future. So we are going in the descending order instead of ascending order. So we are keep on reducing in the future if we are growing up. So if the business is going down, definitely we also go commercially. So but our main agenda too, um, we would actually career could not be barrier between price and money, price and career. So that's one agenda. So we want to make any training pocket friendly and affordable to anyone else in the planet. That's our aim. That's what we're doing, and we are coming with it wholeheartedly in front of you. And I'm also presented all our wishes in front of you. How you guys are supporting, how you guys take it to up, how you guys are referring. That also matters. That also helps to get the good opportunity from us from to the others. Any questions you have technically you can go with ask with Vamsi. Then if you have any other question regarding the payment issues, anything else you can ask me.
So this Tableau admin and developer, are there any remote opportunities?